Hi, John Haynes with Haynes Stuff Properties, and today I wanted to show you around our newest listing in the Belterra neighborhood in Lynnwood. So let's go inside and take a look. Right as you walk in, you've got this great formal living room, really high ceilings, beautiful wall windows, so it's just super airy and light. The staircase is gorgeous with this custom railing system that's put in here. And then over to my left, large formal dining room. So the furniture is really large in this room, but yet you can still feel the size. I mean, it'd be great for your holidays or weekend get-togethers. And then as we keep walking through, you'll notice it's got the floors, they feel like that hand-carved, like hardwood look to them. So just super nice, feel good on your feet. Again, just really expansive in here. You go in here and huge kitchen. You got your buffet bar, so ton of storage. And then I guess technically this is called a breakfast nook, but I don't think there's anything nook about this. I mean, this is like pretty much a second living area, but as you can see, they've filled it well. Kitchen is amazing, just total chef's kitchen. You got your double ovens, you've got your eat at peninsula, then you have your island, so do all your prep cook, all GE monogram appliances, nice quartz countertops, mosaic tile backsplash, great big pantry, so just a really nice kitchen. And then as you go over to the left here, go back into the living room. It's got a great little kind of butler's pantry set up over here with more storage. The current sellers kind of use it as their little wine station, and then obviously a little powder room behind me. So now that you've seen the first floor, why don't we head upstairs and take a look up there. So as soon as you walk upstairs, you notice that it's just huge space. You know, you have this little seating area up here, and it just overlooks these just huge soaring ceilings. Just a really great airy space. So the left here, the first room we find, you got the double doors going in. So this is your fourth bedroom, but easily could be used as your bonus room or your theater room. So great space. Then over to my right, just got another bedroom, great space, lots of light. And then as we continue down the hallway, nice big laundry room with nice utility sink and built-in cabinets. Really big hall bathroom with the double sinks, so great if you got kids or guests over. And then again, another great big extra bedroom. And then as we keep on walking, we go into the suite. And this is just, the size of this is just huge. Again, this is just like being in your own little hotel room up here with just nice coffered ceilings. You got the double ceiling fans, and again, just light everywhere with all the windows. So honestly, my favorite part of the house, well, I've got two favorite parts of the house, Outback and then down here, which is the ensuite. And you really feel like you're just in a high-end hotel, but yet this could be your home. So beautiful spa-like ensuite. As you can see with the ottoman in the middle, you can kind of see how big this is. Just great space, great soaker tub in the corner. Again, windows, frosted windows, so lots of privacy. And just a gigantic his and her closet also off to my right. So now we're in my second favorite place, or maybe tied for the first, is this beautiful outdoor space out here. So the sellers have put in a custom stamped concrete patio. It's covered, beautiful out here with lush landscaping. Obviously they have it set up beautifully with their patio furniture and patio heaters. And really you can just be out here and just relax because you don't have to worry about watering the lawn with the sprinkler system. So whether you're looking for a custom home with tons of upgrades or just a home in Lynnwood, give us a call.